Greetings, April 15th, Saturday, 2023. I just titled on the bottom in pencil one of the I did 5 or 6 proofs I printed of the new linoleum block print I made last year in 2022. El Banco Boidio paid the order of, someone's name goes in there, 9,000 Boidios. BOK, that's parakeet, cockatiel, bird lingo. Hey, lost lutefisk, that's over here. So I wrote AP, artist proof, paid the order of, and whoever's name goes there, on demand 9,000 Boidios, El Banco Boidy. Not valid or negotiable till the bearer signs in the blue box upper left. That would be here. All right, there we have it.